How to make a quick lecture video. Are you planning to make your first lecture video but unaware of the need to give your video a professional look? Don't worry. We are here to help you. Just follow the simple instructions to make the best lecture video. Sufficient use of light. Lighting makes a massive difference in the quality of a video. Always ensure you have maximum lighting before capturing your lectures. Otherwise, with less light, your video will look substandard even if you have excellent teaching skills. Clear and optimized audio quality. Like professional video quality, audio quality is equally important and is easily achievable with the use of a decent microphone. While recording, keep the microphone as close as possible. A microphone sometimes picks up background noise. Eliminate any such unwanted sounds by recording in a quieter room. Use your phone the right way. If you don't have a DSLR camera, you can use your mobile phone to capture high-quality videos. Make sure to record video in landscape orientation. This makes the video look elegant even on bigger screens. Always use the mobile back camera for recording. The front camera quality is not as good on most phones. If possible, use a tripod to place your phone for recording, and if you don't have a tripod, you may choose some sturdy place to fix your phone before recording. Mobile uses more MBs, whereas the platform allows video length up to 300 MBs. Therefore, for longer videos, use editing software to increase video duration. Finally, before posting, carefully review your video. Good luck with your first lecture recording. For any queries, write to us at info@educatewiser.com.